Welcome, Raksha.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I got my desired score just because of you, I think,
Oh,
and all the tips and tricks shared by you. Yeah, it was a wonderful experience with group coaching, PTE tutorials. Yeah, I will definitely recommend my other friends as well.
thank you so much, Raksha. You made my day. You tell me, like, how did you come to know about us, PT tutorials?
Actually, this is my second attempt. So, for the first attempt, I had bought this exam vouchers. So, via that exam vouchers, I came to know about the PTE tutorials. So, for my
Okay.
second attempt, I thought I'll go with the PTE tutorials because I found practicing material was plenty available for the practicing, and then the AI, whatever was there, I was getting feedback from the AI. So, I thought I'll go with the PTE tutorials and I'll give it a try. Yeah, it went good and I had a very good experience through that.
Thank you so much once again. And like you have attended the group session, group coaching, right? 20-day curriculum.
Yeah,
So
20.
share your feedback with respect to the coaching sessions.
So I had taken group coaching from you, like Anandita Ma'am. So it was a very good experience. In fact, it included video tutorials and other facilities like exam memories, and parallel practicing was very much beneficial for me. I found whenever I got in like problem, there was a problem with me. I was facing, let's say, with read aloud or anything. Then at that very moment I could get in touch with madam like you, Anandita ma'am, and it was resolved. The issue was resolved and I was able to practice at the very same moment. So we were going hand in hand, like parallel practicing. So that is why I think all this was possible, and the scores I made really because of that.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, like in a nutshell, all the tutors here in PT tutorial, we do have a personal connect with our students. Whoever is targeting a 79, a 65, or fit 58, but if he or she has informed the tutor that the exam is on this XYZ date, then we try to solve all the issues that during the practice the student is coming up with there and then. So that the objective of the tutor is to keep the student on the right track. There should not be a deviation in the practice. He or she not should not feel that there is a disconnect, that yes, now the 20 days curriculum is over, the teacher is not with me anymore. It's not like that at all. We are with you till the end of your journey. Once you have your PTE scorecard, it makes us feel good. Thank you so much, Raksha, for giving your time, and I congratulate once again for this wonderful score.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.